Hey guys, today we're going to talk about one of the most important news of this year and the coming years about ChatGPT becoming the official artificial intelligence of Android. Let's discuss that and another piece of news which I think is completely opposite to this and might stir some controversy, but either one could be true. And if confirmed, it'll be one of the most important developments in the next few years. The first news story is that ChatGPT could become the default virtual assistant of Android, but you might be wondering, Android is from Google, right? And Google has its own artificial intelligence, Bard, which is the main competitor to ChatGPT because OpenAI has several artificial intelligences. One of them is ChatGPT, and Google has several artificial intelligences. One of them is Google Bard, which directly competes with ChatGPT. So if Android is Google's, why would Google use ChatGPT instead of Google Bard? It's pretty strange. The other news that confirms this is the Galaxy S, whose AI features will require an internet connection and a Google login. I've already reported that Samsung's next phone, the S23 Ultra, the next one is the S24 Ultra launching in January, will have embedded its own Samsung artificial intelligence features. However, there are rumors that Samsung will partner with either Google Bard or ChatGPT. You can use whichever you want, but either way, it will be incorporated. To give an example, many years have gone by and Google's browser, Google Chrome, is on all phones, both Android and Apple. Apple has Safari, for instance, but Google is the main one there. Why is that? Because Google pays a fortune to have its Google search engine integrated there. So my question is this, but in my opinion, we should celebrate both. Suddenly I can buy an S24 or upgrade my S23 Ultra and ChatGPT will be integrated, or Google Bard will already be integrated. Look at how wonderful this is. Keep in mind that we'll be able to ask a virtual assistant. We can ask it to write an email, answer messages, create images. All right. The ChatGPT might become a virtual assistant on Android. It may soon become the default virtual assistant for Android. OpenAI is developing a feature in the chatbot app, which already has an app for both Android and iPhone. So they are developing a feature in the chatbot app that, if activated, can set it as the default bot for voice interaction. But then Google has its own virtual assistant, and Samsung has that trash called Bixby. But hey, we have it anyway. Maybe it will kick out Bixby and replace it. Who knows? On Apple, we have Siri. With this new feature, you would be able to interact with ChatGPT from any app, just like with Google Assistant. The chatbot could overlay the screen and wait for your voice interaction, answering questions and fulfilling commands. So you can ask whatever you want from the internet. Hey, I took a picture, send it to so-and-so. Look, write me an email there. In short, using the app of Gmail, but you edit and he writes, for example, or even you speaking, look, write me an email saying this, that, and the other, give me ideas. In short, you can do everything for presentations, to create images, to write emails for various things that we talk about, including on our platform. The S24 will be the first cell phone, this is a fact already, that will use built-in artificial intelligence, regardless if you're going to install an app or not. So you're there, you took a photo from your phone, from the app, from the camera, indeed, that it's already going to use artificial intelligence, but it's going to help edit the photo. For example, with artificial intelligence, it will help to take notes. It will help to create images. In short, everything within the phone's native features. The Samsung S24 phone line is about to be launched now in January, but as we're recording this presentation video, some official details about the devices are starting to emerge. The Samobile website identified a text in the smartphone family teaser that brings prerequisites for the use of Galaxy AI. That's the name Galaxy AI, right? Artificial intelligence. This is the name chosen by the South Korean manufacturer for the device's series of artificial intelligence features. And now you're going to have to do this, have internet, right? Because artificial intelligence uses the internet. The database is the internet, so you need to be connected. And this is where it gets interesting, right? You'll need to log into your Google account. The S24 line will be launched on January the 17th at 3 in the afternoon. We're going to follow up. We're going to make a video here with the main news because we're talking about artificial intelligence. But comment below if you use any artificial intelligence, what you use it for. See you in the next video. Bye for now.